East Coast, a lot of people are trying to get their lives back to normal after this weekend's blizzard, and the storm is having a huge domino effect at airports around the country. Flights heading in and out of LAX are canceled. KCAL9's Jasmine Viel reports.
Another line of tired East Coast passengers were back this morning inside the busy United Airlines terminal at LAX.
I've never seen the airport this bad.
Most are trying to rebook canceled flights as East Coast airports slowly dig out from under several feet of snow.
We're exhausted. We're ready to go home.
Faith Piotrowski was supposed to fly to Newark yesterday from Hong Kong, but instead ended up at LAX, only to find out this morning her connecting flight to New York was canceled again.
We've traveled a lot, but not quite like this, to the point where it's been canceled and rescheduled.
Airlines are warning travelers about the limited flight schedules today following the weekend's record-breaking blizzard. FlightAware.com reported more than 1,800 flights are canceled nationwide. At LAX, the 64 delayed and canceled flights are not only from the winter storms, but from flights not arriving on time yesterday in D.C., New York, and Newark.
I just came from Melbourne and I'm stuck here for 2 days. I was meant to go to New York straight after I got here.
New Jersey honeymooners Michael Mendoza and his wife are returning from Australia, and after a 2-day delay, we're just told this morning they can't leave L.A. until tomorrow.
We get a little extended break here in LA, so it's not bad. We're not stuck in the snow.
Airlines at LAX expect it will take a day or two to rebook this backlog of passengers. This historic storm had canceled more than 11,000 flights since Friday, so you can imagine how difficult it's been to get the crews and the planes back into position, and possibly more bad news for the East Coast as we could see another blizzard hit them by the end of the week. Reporting here from LAX, Jasmine Viel, KCAL9 News.